a Groovy bake sale. Peter Cat is excited about the full bake sale. He wants to bake a treat. What's a pea bake? Peel of fruit, peel of cookie, peel of pie, peel of brownies, cakes, marshmallows, treats, and ice cream sundaes. At my cookie baking, he take out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course chocolate chip. He put everything in a bowl. He stir and stir. He made a big mess. He rolled the dough into balls, and his mom helped put them into the oven. They wait for the cookie to bake. It was so yummy. Then things were less yummy. Some of the cookies have burned. Pete had to start over. What else can he make? He tried to make ice cream sundaes, but they turned into ice cream soup. He tried to make pudding pie, but it runs out of crust. He's a big mess. He had no treats for the bake sale. He finds something yummy to bring to the bake sale. So Pete's mom, he had some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. Got it, Pete said. I used a little bit of all of it. So he added with the cream and berries to the pudding and stir. And he added some cookie pieces to the mix. Careful, he scooped some onto the tray. He put the tray in the fridge. The next morning, in a tray of tasty, groovy, berry goodness, the mom helped him scoop the treats into little cups. He bring them to school. He put the berry cup on the bake sale table. What is that? asked Corey. Groovy berry goodness, said Pete. His friend gave it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone. But Pete saved one. He gave it to his mom. Thanks for your help.